Hey people, so today we're at IFAC, the Igbo cultural event, ceremony, whatever you want to call it. It's a lovely day out today. The sun has come out, but we've got a slight breeze, which is cool. It's keeping us cool, and we've got loads of people here. We're here to showcase our talents. We're here to celebrate just Igbo people in general. So it's going to be a good day. So today I've got with me
Afamobo Chale from Anambra State, Aguleri.
Okay, and what community are you here representing today?
Aguleri community.
Okay, so they've got one here as well. They've got
Yes,
the UK branch.
Aguleri community.
Okay, and what are you looking forward to the most with regarding today's event?
Kankowa Ndigbo makana taa bụ Igbo Day. Ọ bụ na ọ bụrụ Igbo Day nsị ka asụba Oyibo. Mana taa bụ na Igbo Day ka anyị nọ. Ka ndapụ Oyibo. Ọ bụ na Igbo Oyibo ka anyị na-eme, amebe Oyibo, mana kịta bụ Igbo ka anyị na-eme. So ka ngaba n'Igbo. Ibe na-eme taa n'ịnwa bụ ndị Igbo niile nọ na London. Ndị Igbo nọ na London ka a na-eme na taa bụ ụbọchị anyị. So just onye ọbụla bụ nwanne ya, village niile dị iche iche, onye ọbụla bụ nwanne ya, mmadụ na ibe dị mma. Ya mere anyị ji nọ ebe a taa.
Well, thank you very much. I hope you enjoy your day today, and we look forward to seeing you later.
Ozugbo na ọ bụrụ ma ịnegide anya sef bụ na ibe na-eme dị mma. Onye ọbụla na-ebe onye ọbụla na-enwe obi aṅụrị ịghọtala. Ibe na-eme ebu once ovu ugboro na-arọ ka a na-eme ya. Ovu ugboro na-arọ ka a na-eme. So ọ dị mma. Onye ọbụla bịara ebe asị na ibe na-eme adịrị na mma. Ịma na ya achọ ya ibe n'isi. Maka na ka nji nọ lekịta na ibe na-anya n'aka m ya bụ ibe nji. Ịma na mmanya ka nji. Mmanya na nji dị m mma na-arụ. Ịghọta, so o gosiri na ibe na-eme dị m mma. Abụ m onye Aguleri, bụrụ ezigbo onye Aguleri. Ịghọta, so anyị na-agbara ibe ọbụla anyị na-eme, anyị na-agbara las. Ibe na-eme.
Yeah, so are you hoping to win the trophy today?
Even na trophy abụ mma agba mbọ win ya ọ dị mma ọ bụ na m ewinurukwa ndebe mbọsị ọzọ ịghọtala m.
Okay, so I know you guys are literally just walking into the event, but before you do, could you please introduce yourselves? So
I'm Mrs. Amaokpala from Coventry.
From Coventry.
Yeah.
And you?
Dr. Mrs. Ngozika Johnson Obuneke from Igbo community, Coventry.
Coventry as well.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the community that you're coming to represent today, yeah? Yeah. Okay, so what are you you can see the event now, it looks good, people are set up, everybody looks nice. What are you most looking forward to with today's event?
Well, as we are from Coventry, and we are the winning champions last year. Okay. So we are looking forward going home with that cup again.
You guys want to win again?
Yeah, of course.
And
we come to defend the cup.
You've come to defend the cup.
And then also to watch other people.
Okay, yeah.
And have some entertainment.
Yeah. So you guys have come to claim what's rightfully yours, basically.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, good luck to you guys. I hope you have a lovely day. I hope you enjoy the event.
Thank you.
All right,
My name is Stanley Chinedu Amade. I'm popularly known as the People's Pope.
What are you doing here today at this event?
Today we have come to showcase or celebrate the Igbo festival.
Yeah.
To showcase the Igbo culture.
Yeah.
Okay, different cultures in Igbo land. We'll come here, show our dancing groups.
Yeah, everything.
Musical groups. Masquerade,
exactly.
All the cultures that you use, they know Igbo of.
Yeah.
So we come to showcase our culture here today.
Okay, so out of all those things, what are you looking forward to the most?
Oh, what I'm looking forward is to see Igbos having fun together.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's Eze Charles Productions.
That I relay, push it no one, no, got what I call yourself. Igbo Muhammad. Yeah. Igbo Muhammad. Yeah. Igbo Lien. Yeah. Umuwanyo lihe.
Well, I can see you guys you've got your shirts, you've got your...
Oh yeah, that's our banner. Come and see our
So the Young Igbo Women's Association.
Okay, so what do you guys do?
So basically, we empower young Igbo women in the diaspora, which is London. We support them, we encourage them, we celebrate them. You know, we all get together. It's a sisterhood. It's a friendship group.
Yeah.
You know.
Do you know what? That's really good, guys, to now bring out be encouraging the women and stuff. That's really good. So, what are you guys most looking forward to the most in this event today?
Winning a trophy.
Okay, everyone's trying to win the trophies.
Seeing a masquerade.
Oh no! No, sis, you don't want to see one. No, sis, you don't want to see.